Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies. Here's video 3 of this beam pocket being grouted. Did our layers. This is about 6 little skim coats to build it up about an inch. Same thing on this side. I use a structural grout. It's going to set up, high strength. I mix my own actually, so that way I have a product that won't set up too fast or set up too slow. I've been using it for quite a few years. You can follow this project from beginning to end at www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link and you can watch close to 2,000 videos of my other projects. Thanks for watching. Jade Alpine. A couple little joist repairs in a beam pocket on a brick house. See you guys in the next video.